Oh, it's amazing. Can you come feel the water, Lucien? You happy there behind the camera? Oh, it's actually quite tempting to drink some of it, but at the moment it's still flowing quite strong. As soon as it flows less strong, then the water actually settles down a bit and becomes very clear, but at the moment there's still quite a lot of sediment in it. Alright. That was fun. Oh, cool. Come on, I insist. I'm going to stop in the water here. Actually, I wanted to walk down this side because it looks really pretty. I'm going to stop there and I insist that you walk around there a little bit. This side. Thank you. Just jump straight in the water. Take your shoes off. It's soft, it's all river sand. That side. No, you're not fine that side. Vision, just all a favor, that side please. Ah, you know. There we go, say hello. Guys, like I said, it's a bit of a harder to film output. Please, come on, please, I insist. Otherwise, you're going to have to make a hippo noise later. Which do you prefer? There we go. Okay, I'll translate for you. What does it feel like temperature-wise? Yeah, it's warm. Warmer than the water in Swakop. That's never easy to get done. Thanks. Nice, eh? Can't have a river flowing and not get your feet into it. That's just wrong.